Well, I don't know if I'll go that far back, but certainly if you think about it, and I've been working for about 14, 15 years, right? So if you go back to about 2010 or thereabouts, 10 lakh rupees was the threshold for the highest tax slab. And that was, at that point, thought to be a decent amount of money to be earning every year. And above that, it was taxed at 30%. Now take a look at inflation. If you assume that over the last 15 years we've had 7% or thereabouts inflation, then the value of that 10 lakh is approximately 24, 25 lakh at this juncture. The slab changes that have been done today acknowledge the impact of inflation on the pocket of the middle class, and it's been changed to give some relief. And a relief is maybe an understatement. Take a look at the major announcement. Of course, these are how the new tax slabs look. You'll be forgiven for not knowing exactly what it stood at last year, because I'll remind you, right? So 0 to 3 lakh was the lowest tax slab, that is raised to 0 to 4 lakh. It's 0%. 3 to 7 was the earlier slab. It is now standing at 4 to 8%, which is 5%. 8 to 12 goes up to 10%. 12 to 16 goes up to 15%. 16 to 20 is 20%. 20 to 24 is 25%. And above 24 is 30%. In the previous new tax regime, any income above 15 lakh rupees was taxed at 30%. So already there's a huge relief that is being provided. What is more, the earlier rebate was on income up to 7 lakh rupees. What that meant is that if you earned up to 7 lakh rupees in taxable income, you would not effectively be paying any tax. That has now been raised to 12 lakh rupees in the new tax regime, which means that if you are earning a taxable income of up to 1 lakh rupees per month, you're not going to be paying any tax in the form of income tax. The clarification that is going to be required is going to be what she meant, what the finance minister meant about the special income. She specified about capital gains. And the interpretation currently is that if you earn even less than 12 lakh rupees, but if you have an element of capital gains in that total income that you earn in the year, then you will not be able to claim that rebate and you will have to pay basis the slabs. This is something that has to be clarified.
Okay, Alex, thanks so much for that.